Hello everyone, I am Professor D.V. Thurat, and today we will start with our new topic, that is cultivation practices of cowpea. The botanical name of cowpea is Vigna sinensis and it belongs to family Leguminosae. It is originated from Central Africa and it is grown in Africa, Asia, Australia and Europe. Over the area 5 million hectare and the production is 2 million tons. In Africa, cowpea occupies 90% of acreage in proportion to the world. In India, it is grown in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. In India, it is grown over an area 1.5 million hectare with the production 0.5 million tons. In case of economical importance, it is used for the human consumption and also used as a concentrate for the cattle, which is rich in protein and having a better biological value. Known as a vegetable, it contains 6% carbohydrate, 1.8% fat, 3% fiber, 3% ash, 11% moisture and rich in calcium and ferrous. It is excellent palatable fodder and checks soil erosion and also fixes 240 kg nitrogen per hectare and used as a green manuring crop. It is short day plant and cultivated under the warm weather, which is grown in a tropical and subtropical area where the rainfall is 400 mm. The cowpea is cultivated there, and the requirement of temperature for the germination of cowpea is 15 degrees Celsius. It thrives well under the 25 to 37 degrees Celsius temperature. It is drought tolerant crop and susceptible to waterlogging condition. And in case of soil, it is grown over wide range of soil and well-drained soil, which is suited for the cultivation of crop, where the saline and alkaline soil is unfit for the cultivation. Next is sowing time, seed rate, spacing and sowing method. It is grown in a June to July month while Kharif season. When we followed the early sowing in cowpea, that time it result in reduction of germination. And when we follow late sowing, that time it affect on yield. The seed rate requirement for the grain purpose is 25 kg, where the for fodder purpose it is 35 to 45 kg per hectare, and in case of green manuring it is 35 to 40 kg per hectare. In case of spacing is 30 by 10 centimeter. For rain-fed crop it is the spacing for rain-fed is 30 by 10 centimeter, and for the summer it is 25 by 10 centimeter. The seed are treated with thyrum culture at the rate 3 gram per kg of seed, which is sown by the seed drill method or sowing behind the flow. Next one is manures and fertilizer. It required 5 to 10 tons of FIN per hectare, and in case of NPK it required 15 to 20 is to 50 to 60 is to 30 kg NPK per hectare, where the full dose of N, P and K is given at the time of sowing. The depth of application of fertilizer is 5 to 7 centimeter below the seed, and P required for the function of rhizobium bacteria. Next one is water management. Normally it required 5 to 6 irrigation in case of summer season, where the condition in which the amount of irrigation is available in inadequate, that time 2 irrigations is given. First is at flowering stage and second is at grain development stage. Crop is irrigated at 50% soil. Next is weeding. Critical growth period of crop for weed crop competition is 30 days after sowing. To control the weed population, we can adopt cultural method, that is one hoeing and one hand weeding required at 20 days after sowing and 40 days after sowing. And in case of chemical control, fluchloralin is applied at the rate 1 kg active ingredient per hectare. Next is harvesting. For the vegetable purpose, we harvest green pod of cowpea, so that the duration of maturity is 45 to 60 days after sowing, or in case of green purpose, it is 90 to 125 days after sowing. When we are going to cultivate the cowpea for the fodder purpose in summer season, that time firstly pods are allowed to peak, and after that the crop is harvested for the fodder purpose. And if we are going to cultivate the crop for the fodder purpose, that time it is harvested after 45 days of sowing. Next is varieties. These are Pusa Varsati, Pusa Dofasali, then V16, number 21, C125, N51941, RC19, Russian Giant. Next is yield. It gives 12 to 15 quintal grains per hectare and 50 to 60 quintal straw per hectare, while in case of fodder crop, it yields 250 to 300 quintal green fodder. This is a chart which showing the different diseases which are going to occur over the cowpea, that are Cercospora leaf spot, bacterial blight of cowpea mosaic, rust. Then powdery mildew, and in case of insect and pest, it is pod borer, aphid, hairy caterpillar and chassids. These are the cropping system which are going to adopt in a cowpea. In that intercropping, we can intercrop cowpea with a sorghum, pigeon pea, maize and pearl millet. And in case of sequence cropping, we can sequence crop with rice, wheat, pearl millet, cotton, potato and etc. And in case of fodder purpose, we can combine cowpea with maize, berseem, then sorghum, Sudan grass, etc. Thank you.